That's it, guys. The Watson whip. It's all about that, guys. Remember it. M Sport. So, yeah, this is the new car. A car which I've always wanted, so I bought it. Literally exact spec and everything more I could possibly want. It's the John Cooper Works. It's a 2017 model. It's got my favourite alloys on it. It's got the two-tone colours, red and black. Definitely a car which I've always wanted, and as I said, perfect spec on this car too. The two-tone colours, it's got the big panoramic sunroof which is in the back and in the front. Basically the entire length of the car, because yeah, it's quite mini. Look at the size of the caliper, jeez. So I did go for the manual box. Fucking hell, it's a fucking auto. Go for the auto box, and you're probably thinking, you got an auto, you should have got a manual. Well, I do a lot of driving, so this is my daily car, so an auto is perfect for me. Doing motorway miles and stuff like that is perfect, and it's got the paddles. Big pan roof, got these blinds here so I can pull that open, and the one in the back, and it just lets a load of light into the car. Interior wise, to be fair, I do really like the interior of the JCWs. The bucket seats, my one's got the optional big screen with the upgraded sat nav. We've got Harman Kardon sound system and the heads up display, which if I turn the car on, you can see the heads up display pops up. Heads up display, when I first got the car I was like, nah, I don't want that, but I've been using it for a bit now. I bought this car back in the end of April, so I've had it for quite a little while now. We're now into July, and it shows speed, your sat nav when you set it. You can change like your music, your radio stations and all that on the actual screen, so you literally don't have to take your eyes off the road. So to be fair, it is quite a cool feature, and I'm glad that I did actually get the one with the heads-up display. But enough of me rambling on. I'm sure you guys want to actually see what this car does and how it drives, which we are going to go for a drive, because honestly it literally says when you flick it into sport mode that it's a go-kart. So let's see what it can do. yeah, safety first, and then we will head off. Get that Polo. It's a Polo! Honestly, it says on the screen there when you flick into sport mode, maximum go-kart feel, and it is exactly like a go-kart. Honestly, like, it just goes. It's brilliant. I'm just going to wait for a cow to cross the road here. Oh, multiple cows. I like steak. Might have steak today. Or beef. Did you get any milk, actually? Albert there. Sport mode is my favourite mode, and it's not very good for obviously the fuel economy of the car, but it does pop and bang. So flick it into sport mode, maximum go-kart feel, which is what we like. Pop the window down so you guys have a little listen. Guess we'll stick it in manual as well. It's great fun, and honestly, I have wanted one of these cars for so long. If I can find any footage or anything of me saying I want one of these cars, I will pop it throughout this video, because no joke, it's been one of those cars which I've always wanted, but there's been a reason as to why I haven't been able to get one of these, and it's been like insurance or the price of the car or whatever, but finally managed to get one, and yeah, it was definitely worth the wait because it's so much fun. Anyway guys, that is going to be a wrap on today's video. If you like the new car and you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you're new around here and you want to stick around and watch some more John Cooper Works content, along with my BMW Z4 and whatever other random cars I make videos on, then hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot of things planned for this car, so I'm going to be making a huge amount of videos with them. So honestly, the series on this channel, on this car, is going to be crazy. So if you want to see more, do stick around. But until next time guys, it's bye for now.